Gurudev, in Samadhi, does one get in touch with their causal body or something beyond?
Yeah. In the waking state, we are in our physical body. In the dreaming state, we are in our subtle body. Physical body goes to sleep in the waking state, in the dreaming state. What is active is the subtle body. In deep sleep, even the subtle body goes to rest. Only the causal body remains. That is why when you wake up from a deep sleep, you feel very energetic. But the causal body is all energy and intelligence. And consciously being in causal body is samadhi. That's why samadhi or meditation is like sleep. Not sleep, but like sleep. And it just uplifts your spirit in a different way. It's a different type of rest. When you sleep long time, when you wake up, you still feel dullness. But in samadhi, you don't feel dullness. When you wake up, you feel a sense of coolness. You feel as though every sense is rejuvenated, revived, or there is some pleasant coolness inside of it.